Good afternoon. West Park Rentals. How can I help?
Hello. I am looking for a small place to rent near the college.
We have a few options. Are you looking for a studio or a one-bedroom flat?
I first thought about a studio, but I think a one-bedroom flat would be better.
That is fine. I will search for a one-bedroom flat. What is your budget?
Around £800 a month if possible.
We have one at £820, but there is another one at £780.
£780 sounds better.
So monthly rent, £780. The deposit is £900.
Okay, £900 deposit.
The flat is available from the 12th of August.
The 12th of August. Good.
Would you like to arrange a viewing?
Yes, please. Is Friday possible?
Friday is fully booked. I can offer Thursday afternoon.
Thursday is fine.
I have a slot at 4:15.
I cannot get there that early. Is there anything later?
Yes, there is one at 10:05.
10 to 5, so for 50. That works.
The flat is on Willow Road, near the park.
Did you say Wilson Road?
No, Willow Road. Willow.
Got it. What is the postcode?
It is NE6, 3KT.
NE6, 3KT.
Correct. May I take your name, please?
My name is Sawar Ahmed.
Thank you. And your phone number?
It is 07538 for 41902.
Let me check. 07538 441 902.
Yes, that is right.
Your inquiry reference is R2847.
R2847.
Yes. Please arrive 5 minutes before the viewing.
I will. Thank you.
You are welcome. Goodbye.
Goodbye.
Good morning. Riverside Cafe. This is Emma speaking.
Hello. I am calling about the part-time job advertised online.
Of course. We had 2 jobs advertised, a kitchen assistant and a cafe assistant.
I was interested in the kitchen assistant job.
That one has already been filled, but the cafe assistant job is still available.
Cafe assistant is fine. What would the work involve?
Serving customers, taking orders, and helping to clear tables.
When would the job start?
We first hoped someone could start on the 18th of June, but that is too soon now. The confirmed start date is the 20th of June.
The 20th of June. That works for me.
The usual working days are Friday and Saturday.
Both days every week?
Yes, Friday and Saturday, from 10 in the morning until 4 in the afternoon.
What is the hourly pay?
During training it is £10 per hour, but after training the hourly pay is £12.
So the normal pay is £12 per hour.
Correct. The training is 3 hours, usually before the first shift.
Okay, 3 hours.
Would you like to come for an interview?
Yes, please. What times are available?
I had a time at 2:15, but someone has just taken it. I can offer 2:45.
2:45, so 2:45.
Yes, 2:45 tomorrow afternoon.
That is fine.
Can I take your full name?
My name is Bilal Hussein.
Could you spell your surname?
Hussein. Hussain.
Thank you. And your phone number?
It is 07964318774.
Let me repeat that. 07964 318 774.
Yes, that is right.
Please bring photo ID and a certificate from your last course or school.
Photo ID and a certificate. Got it.
Your application reference is J5063.
J5063?
Yes, J5063. Please show that at reception when you arrive.
I will. Thank you.
You are welcome. Goodbye.
Goodbye.
Good afternoon. Northbridge Language School. How can I help?
Hello. I want to ask about English courses for this summer.
Certainly. Are you looking for general English or exam preparation?
I was thinking about general English, but I need a course to help with IELTS later.
In that case, exam preparation would be better.
Yes, exam preparation sounds right.
What is your current English level?
I think I am pre-intermediate.
Have you studied in English before?
Yes, I completed an intermediate class last month.
Then I will put your level as intermediate.
Okay, intermediate.
The next course starts in July.
Is it Monday the 6th?
No, that course is full. The available class starts on Tuesday the 7th of July.
Tuesday the 7th of July. Good.
The class is in the evening.
What time does it start?
It used to start at 6, but this term it starts at 6:30.
So 6:30.
Yes, 6:30. The course lasts 8 weeks.
8 weeks. And how much is the fee?
The normal fee is £260, but if you pay this week it is £240.
I can pay this week, so £240.
Good. The school is at 18, Bridge Street.
Did you say Brigg Street?
No, Bridge Street. BRIDGE.
Thank you. Can I reserve a place?
Yes. May I have your full name?
My name is Omar Rahman.
Could you spell your surname?
Rahman. Rahman.
Thank you. And your phone number?
It is 07740 582 119.
Let me repeat that. 07740 582 119.
Yes, that is correct.
Your inquiry reference is E3174.
E3174.
Correct. Please use that reference if you contact us again.
I will. Thank you for your help.
You are welcome. Goodbye.
Goodbye.
Good morning. Netline customer support. How can I help you?
Hello. I want to report a problem with my internet service.
I am sorry about that. I can complete a complaint form. Can I have your account number?
Yes, it is 64028.
Account number 64028. Thank you. Which service plan are you on?
I used to have the standard plan, but I changed last month.
Are you now on home fiber?
Yes, home fiber.
When did the problem begin?
The internet was very slow on Monday, but it stopped completely on Tuesday.
So the service stopped on Tuesday.
Yes, Tuesday afternoon.
I can book an engineer visit. Would Friday be suitable?
Friday is fine. Do you have anything early?
We had a 9 o'clock appointment, but that has just been taken. The next available time is 11:30.
11:30 is okay.
I will book Friday at 11:30.
Thank you. Will I get any refund?
We can offer a £15 credit.
I was without internet for several days. Is there any better option?
I can increase that to £20.
Okay, £20 is fair.
I need to confirm your name and address. What is your full name?
My name is Daniel Mirza.
Could you spell the surname?
Mirza. Mirza.
Thank you. What is your postcode?
It is LS8 2QN.
LS8 2QN. And your phone number?
07855 740 661.
Let me repeat that. 07855 740 661.
Correct.
Your complaint reference is N8035.
N8035?
Yes, N8035. Please keep that number.
I will. Thank you.
You are welcome. Goodbye.
Goodbye.
Good afternoon. Student Rooms Office. How can I help?
Hello. I am calling about a room advertised near the university.
Certainly. Are you looking for a single room or a double room?
I was hoping for a double room.
The double room has already been taken, but we still have a single room available.
A single room is okay if the price is reasonable.
There is one single room at £150 a week, but the smaller room is £135.
I would prefer the smaller room at £135.
Fine. The weekly rent is £135. The deposit is £300.
£300 deposit. Are bills included?
Electricity is paid separately, but water is included in the rent.
So water is included.
Yes. Would you like to view the room?
Yes. Is Tuesday possible?
Tuesday is fully booked. I can offer Wednesday.
Wednesday is fine.
I have a viewing at 3:10.
I finish class at 3, so that is a bit early.
The next time is 20 to 4.
20 to 4, so 3:40. That works.
The room is at 27, Maple Avenue.
Did you say Mabel Avenue?
No, Maple. Maple.
Thank you. What is the postcode?
B14, 6RD.
B14, 6RD.
Correct. May I have your name, please?
My name is Farid Ali.
And your phone number?
It is 07492 508 226.
Let me repeat that. 07492 508 226.
Yes, that is right.
Your viewing reference is H6192.
H6192.
Yes, H6192. Please bring your student card to the viewing.
I will. Thank you.
You are welcome. Goodbye.
Goodbye.